Can you explain about safety regulation on suitable devices for cutting off power in case of emergency for running machinery? Sure. In every factory, suitable devices for cutting off power in emergencies from running machinery shall be provided and maintained in every workroom. These devices are designed to quickly and safely shut down machinery in case of an emergency. That makes sense. But what if the device inadvertently shifts from off to on position? Good question. When a device provided to cut off power can inadvertently shift from off to on position, arrangements shall be provided for locking the device in a safe position to prevent accidental starting of the transmission machinery or other machines to which the device is fitted. Okay, I understand. But how do we ensure that these devices are maintained and working properly? Regular maintenance and testing are essential to ensure that these devices are working properly. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and have a qualified technician perform any repairs or replacements. Thank you for explaining all of this. I feel much more confident about using these devices now.